Holzindustrie Schweighofer, your partner for perfect timber products. At the sites in the Romanian towns of Sebeș, Radouț, Siret, and Comănești, some 2,000 employees see to it that our clients in more than 60 countries around the globe receive the very timber products they need, quickly, reliably, and of top quality. Forests are something very special, offering recreation, cleaning the air, storing water, serving as a habitat for animals and plants, and last but not least, bringing forth one of the world's best natural resources, timber. When it comes to timber harvesting, Holzindustrie Schweighofer is committed to using the technologies which are best suited to the regional requirements. These range from manual harvesting using chainsaws and skidding by means of horses to sophisticated harvesting techniques using cable cranes, harvesters, and forwarders. No matter which technique is used, we make sure that the remaining forest is not damaged and reforestation is carried out quickly. After all, we are committed to working only with timber from sustainable forestry. In the sawmills in Sebeș and Radouț, the origin of the roundwood is examined. The timber is unloaded and delivered to the takeover point where it is measured electronically and sorted by diameter, length, and quality. This is the data on which the invoicing with the suppliers is based. The roundwood is then debarked and sorted into boxes before being taken to interim storage. The incision of the roundwood depends on the customer's requirements. By means of computers, the appropriate cutting pattern is determined to match the requested dimensions of the trimmed timber, thus ensuring economic use of the roundwood. In the saw line, chipper technology is used, with every trunk being optimally cut based on its contours. Chippers, profilers, and circular saws profile and cut the trunks with a feed speed of up to 170 meters per minute. Separated by center and side pieces, the trimmed timber is taken to different sorting lines. There, experienced workers sort the pieces according to their qualities, categorize them based on the various dimensions. Then the timber is transported in tiers. Each tier is made to hold the exact number of pieces of an assortment necessary to make for a complete trimmed timber package when the timber is stacked in the next stage. Spacers are inserted between the individual layers of timber. Thus, the trimmed timber package becomes ready for the drying process that is to follow. The main part of the trimmed timber produced at Holzindustrie Schweighofer is dried to the degree specified by the customers. Sparing timber drying takes a lot of know-how and experience. Much of the dried trimmed timber is planed. Along with the standard squared timber, mostly required for the Asian market, profiled timber is produced for use in floors, walls, and ceilings. These products are mainly sold to DIY markets. For For the Japanese market, specially sorted squared timber is turned into glued wood construction elements. Strict production and quality regulations are in place so as to be able to meet the certified standards. The products, which are ready for dispatch, are loaded onto trucks or into containers. The containers are then taken to the Black Sea port of Constanta in block trains and shipped to our customers all over the world. Together with our customers, we develop new products and are able to achieve a steadily increasing production depth through further processing steps. At the production site in Siret, we produce finger-jointed products as well as edge-glued panels in various formats. The main customers for these products are the furniture industry and DIY markets. In Komanesht, block boards and shuttering boards are produced. In general, the boards produced here comprise at least 3 layers. The core forms the central layer made of edge-glued rods. The top layers, mostly veneer, but on customer request also particle boards or fiber boards, are glued on by means of daylight presses. The block boards keep their shape particularly well and meet the highest demands. Thus, they are mainly used for the production of top-quality furniture or door frames. Covered with a special surface coating, they are also used as large-scale shuttering boards for the production of precast concrete components.